In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, reminds Muslims to correctly use the resources they have been given, such as their physical strength, in order to perform righteous deeds and not simply rely on others to help them. Chapter 53 An-Naim, verse 39.
And that there is not for man except that good for which he strives.
This applies to both worldly and religious affairs, as it is common knowledge that a person, in most cases, only gains something good in this world when they work for it. Similarly, a Muslim will gain good in the hereafter when they strive for it. There is no doubt that certain things will benefit Muslims even after they pass away, such as charity given on their behalf. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2760. But solely relying on others to help a Muslim in both worldly and religious matters is not the correct mentality to possess. This was not the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. In addition, Muslims should not simply attend a few religious gatherings a month without striving to change for the better, expecting to be saved by them. This is not the way of the righteous predecessors. A Muslim should therefore strive to benefit themselves through sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and not remain heedless to preparing for the hereafter before they reach the great day empty-handed.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website www.shakepod.com.